Wouldn't it be nice if spaces were designed for our experiential quality? Drawing is the language architects speak. Without drawings, it would be difficult to not only have others understand our intentions, but designing without drawing would be detrimental to the experiential quality of a space. It is the drawing's responsibility to translate the architect's intentions while expressing the authentic experience of a design. Going through the types of architectural representation methods throughout history, I picked apart aspects of the architectural drawings for the creation of a new drawing method centered around the application of the three scales of experience: intimacy, inquisitiveness, and impression. Expressive architectural drawings representative of human experience in a space translate experiential qualities imagined by the architect, expanding the capacities of architectural drawing. Authentic experiential representation is not limited to man-made architectural elements, but the human figure as well. Like during the Renaissance, when curiosity-fueled discoveries in human anatomy led to authentic representations of human reactions and emotions in art. The figures inhabiting spaces began to express a range of actions and emotions caused by the scene. The representation of human figures is alive and real, which provokes an emotional connection between the drawing and the person. In the process of designing, spaces should react to human expressions. When the human figure is lacking in drawings, the designs can lose a humane scale or quality. For example, during the Beaux-Arts period, the main architectural drawing types influencing representation and design focused on plans and elevations as primary design tools. Elevations promoting symmetry and order in the plans directly translated to built spaces. The perfect symmetry and the lack of human figure in the drawings and design process led to a grandiose outcome of the design, which, although can be impressionable, lacks a level of intimacy. A century later, contemporary design processes emphasize precision and detail. The use of digital programs allows for the full design of spaces using extremely detailed structural drawings and an array of two-dimensional drawings with the primary purpose of accurately portraying the steps that need to be taken during the construction process. And although scale figures may be present, they are often reduced to abstracted shapes that only give a sense of quantitative scale rather than experiential qualities. The intentions of the architect being filtered through digital programs lacks the intimate connection between architect and drawing, and the high level of detail leads to a lack of curiosity during the process. My exploration really took off when I started to observe the body and its reaction in space, following moments of human relationships to surroundings, which exposed the speculation of the three experiential scales of intimacy, inquisitiveness, and impression. Intimacy being tactility, the direct skin-to-material contact, the material texture, and temperature. Inquisitiveness emphasizes visibility and proximity. Frame views, light, or sequence, followed by curiosity-provoked movement. An impression captures the perception and the overall feeling of the design, the scale or impact after the physical separation from the experience. But how can we use these experiential scales to imagine design? How can the means and methods of representation influence the design of a space? What is the difference between thinking and imagining? How can the imagination influence the design of a space? And how can the tools of architecture provoke impressions that translate to experience?